What if I told you that you can sell a $300 to $500 per month website, which is just going to take 10 minutes to set up and sell? That's because we're going to make use of templated website, which is powered by AI. So you don't need design skills, you don't need to code anything, or you don't need to build a website from the scratch. And this exact strategy is not just working for me, it's also working for my subscribers just like you. Unlike most YouTube gurus who are trying to sell you a $3,000 to $5,000 course, I'm giving you my entire system, which is bringing in consistent income, not just for me, but for the people who are working with me, totally for free. A full step-by-step course, copy-paste templates, sales scripts, private community, and the most important thing you'll be getting access to is my weekly coaching calls to get similar results like these. All I ask in return is to smash the like button and comment down below the questions and doubts you have, and send this video to someone who wants to make some online money with a side hustle that actually works. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for businesses who don't have a website with the help of Google My Business page, and we're going to build a free website along with the AI automation. And I'm just letting you know, it's just going to take 10 to 20 minutes to set up everything, including the free website and the automation, because we're going to make use of the pre-built template, and I'm going to give you all the automations which I'm personally using within my 6-figure agency, so you don't have to do anything from the scratch. And I'll let you know how to access all the free bonuses by the end of this video, so watch this video until the end. And we're going to charge our clients anywhere from $97 to $497 if they want to keep on using our website and system, because it's going to save a lot of time and a lot of money. Instead of hiring an employee, they're gonna just have our system to take care of everything within their business. To find the businesses who don't have a website, what we have to do is go inside Google Maps and search for the niche and your targeted location. For example, for this, we are choosing roofers in Bournemouth. Bournemouth is the place I live in the UK. And as you can see, this is just the first page. And after having these two sponsored site, we have the first business who don't have a website, Pegasus Roofing, and another one, DRC Roofing. And when you keep on searching another roof repair Bournemouth, and if you keep on going to the next page, you will see lots of businesses without any website. Another one time roofer, and look at this. They have one review, and that one review is one-star review. We can help them out with the review automation. So this Google My Business page will give you more clients by solving them a problem and getting them a system which is going to pay us a monthly recurring revenue anywhere from $97 to $497 a month. And after finding a business who don't have a website, you can just give them a cold call and use this exact script to book in a meeting. Hello, is this MKI Plumbing?
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason. Are you still open, right?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, amazing, mate. Yeah, believe it or not, I actually built you a free website for plumbing to get more clients without paying any ads. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show you the website, and if you...
Sorry, I don't have a 10-second. I'm so busy. I'm literally busy now.
Can I give you a call when you're free?
Yes.
Can I call you at 6 maybe?
Yeah, call me at 6.
Absolutely, mate. See you at 6.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Let's go.
Bye. So now you have booked in a meeting with an actual client because it's a free website. Everyone will be intrigued to see what you have actually built for them. Yes, we're going to give them a free website, but no, we are not going to build anything from scratch, and it's way easier than you think. I will explain you in a minute. And this is the white label software I'm using to make $15,000 every single month, which is called Go High Level. And as you can see, this logo on the top, which is my own logo, GSR Media, and the domain name is GSR Media. I have switched everything, and when a client logs into my software, yes, every of my client have their own sub account and own login details. As you can see, we have the reputation management, which is the most important services we can provide in a monthly recurring revenue basis. And another, the best one is now we have AI agents.
inside our Go High level, where you can provide voice AI, conversation AI, and knowledge-based AI, where you can just put the client's website details inside website link inside the knowledge-based AI, and the AI will train with the information of your client and answer all the questions the client's customers will have. We have also have agent templates and content AI. And on top of that, we have Launchpad, where we can connect your client's social media and Google My Business page. We have Dashboard, Conversation, where we can combine all the conversation your clients may have from Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, everything inside a single tab. We have calendar booking for your customer. We have our own payment processor, marketing, automation. You don't need an A10. Go High level, take care of it. We can build inside the sites. We can build website, funnel, forms, quiz funnel, everything. We can also have our own community and courses. Like literally, if all the things your clients may need is inside the Go High level. A quick disclaimer that this software does cost $297 a month in subscription, but guess what? You can sell this software as many times as you want. You can create like unlimited sub accounts for your clients. So in this case, you can have unlimited clients inside this account. You don't have to pay more than $297. So let's say you have provided free website to 3 clients and signed them up for a $97 monthly recurring revenue. That's gonna add up to $300. And with this $300, you're paying for the Go High level subscription. So you're not paying anything from your own pocket. And let's say if you signed up a $297 client, so one client can pay the Go High level subscription, and all the clients you're getting inside the Go High level, you don't have to pay Go High level anything else. You just have to pay the $297, and all the clients you're getting inside Go High level, it's the 100% profit goes straight inside your pocket. And if you want to access this Go High level software and start making your first monthly recurring revenue, then click on the first link in the description. You will land in this page and click on this first button saying start your Go High level free trial, and click on it. And all you have to do is click on this link and start your 14-day free trial. And since it's my own affiliate link, you will not just get access to the Go High level software, and you also get access to the 15,000 worth of bonuses totally for free. This plug and play snapshot, which I'm actually using inside my business to get $15,000 every single month. Free courses. Yes, you don't have to pay for the courses. You have step-by-step tutorials and courses inside the community, which also you will get for free. Sales scripts and recording, live sales scripts and recording to know what actually you need to do to close the clients. You will get access to the client acquisition strategy, where we will go through all types of cold outreach strategy to get more clients, and a weekly coaching calls, which is the best and most important thing inside this community. And finally, you'll get access to the high level community and the accountability system, where people inside the community pitch $10 each, and they will compete with each other with cold outreach and closing clients. And when you guys see this spreadsheet, at the moment only we have 5 members, and I am locking this community when we reach 20 members. And as you can see, the 5 members inside the group are fighting with each other's, closing more clients, and they are winning without even knowing. And this is how you will kill your procrastination and start earning online money with the like-minded people inside our community. So what are you waiting for? If you want similar results just like these, all you have to do is click the first link in the description, get your 14-day free trial of Go High level, and let me help you to get your first or next client inside your AI/web design agency.
So now we have booked a meeting, and before going to the meeting, we have to build a website for this client, which is going to be a template. For this, go inside the Go High level site section, click on the new website. You don't have to build anything from the scratch. So click on the template, click continue, and just search roofing sites, and you will get to have lots of good looking websites. For example, this one. And as you can see, this website actually looks nice. It doesn't even look like a random template. It has this animations and effect, and all the section is perfectly built to give a luxury vibe. So click on continue. So now you have to do only one thing, just change the logo. For that, we can go inside Canva and search for roofing logos. Pick one logo template, just change the name and change the logo inside the templated website. And after changing the logo of this website with the business name of the client, and we'll be showing this exact website inside the meeting. And for the pricing, we will be selling this one-page website for free. You'll be asking, why do I do this for free? And why did I say we're going to charge $500 per month? Yes, the website will be free, but the system we're going to build inside the website, if they have to access everything along, they have to pay us anywhere from $97 to $497 a month. And as you can see in my screen, I just got paid £1,800 yesterday with this exact strategy. And since I have already lots of existing clients, I don't have to give my website totally for free. But in the beginning, you do have to give the free website more free values in order to get the monthly recurring revenue. But now I tend to have this setup free upfront, and I will sign them up for 97 or 497 pounds every single month. So it works like crazy, not just for me, but for you guys as well. You don't have to sell the website totally for free all the time. You can also have a setup fees for example, for this starter $997 setup with $97 a month with all these features. Unlimited plan, $2,000 for setup and $200 a month with these many features. And with pro plan, $3,000 setup and $597 per month and recurring revenue. And we can set up all the systems including the website inside Go High Level, which is pretty easy. And I will be giving you all the system we're going to use to get this $497, $197 or $97 month in monthly recurring revenue. And the main reason I was asking you to sell the website for free in the beginning to get few clients to pay for your Go High Level subscription because Go High Level, you do have to pay $297 a month. So you can sell the website for free and set them up for all the system. You can charge your first client $297 or get 3 clients for $97 each. They are going to pay the subscription fees of your Go High Level, and anything you make after that goes straight to your pocket. And after getting few clients, you can start charging for your website anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and you can charge the monthly recurring revenue anywhere from $97 to $497. But you do have to start somewhere, and this is the safest way to start. Instead of paying the Go High Level subscription from your pocket, you're gonna use your clients' money to pay for subscription, and from there you will be stacking clients and scaling like crazy. And you can get all the automations, snapshot, templates, and one-on-one coaching call if you sign up to Go High Level with my referral link, which is the first link in the description. And now I'm going to show you all the automations and AI bots we can attach inside the website to get the monthly recurring revenue from your clients. And when you go to the settings section of the website, you get to see lots of different options, and there's a section called chat widget. In there, you have to select the default chat widget and click save. And after refreshing the website, you get to see this chat widget inside the website, where your clients can get more leads without paying for any money. And we can also add an AI conversation automation on the back end of this chatbot to get the lead to have a conversation with the bot to actually book in a service with your client. So your client don't have to do anything. We just have to set this up once, and we will show them live how it works. And when they see the value of the service you're providing, they'll be more than happy enough to pay the $97 to $497 for your services rather than hiring an employee to take care of all these stuff. And after setting up this chatbot, we're going to set up a review automation campaign for your client on the back end, like with the automation, because it literally helps them to rank higher above in the Google My Business page. Whoever searched for roofers in plus the location, your client tend to show up above, and the AI bot will make the lead to book in an actual service with your client. So your client is making more money, and because of that, you will be making more money. Because as you can see, the more reviews you have in your Google My Business page, the higher you rank inside the Google My Business page. Or else if you have like 10 reviews like this one, you have to pay for the higher ranking. That's why it says sponsored. So you have to explain these things in detail when you go inside the meeting, and you should set up everything before the meeting, and you just have to set up this once. That's why you have to pick one niche and set up one template with all the automation on the back end. Just have to change the logo on the top with the help of the canvas, and you just have to rinse and repeat this exact system, and you will be stacking clients like crazy. And now let's see how to set up the review automation to actually help your client rank higher in the Google My Business page. This automation can negate negative reviews and only get positive reviews. I will show you what I mean by this. For example, if the customer wants to give you negative reviews to your clients, for example, if they want to click 2-star reviews, it's not going to send them to the Google My Business page to send the review. It's going to send them to a page where they're going to ask the name, email, and the feedback. And by doing this, 2 things will happen. They're lowering the negative reviews inside their Google My Business page. And by this, they're actually giving valuable feedback to their business, and they can fix the thing which is actually going wrong inside the business. And for example, if the customer is trying to leave a 5-star review, it's going to take them straight to their Google My Business page, and they can leave a 5-star review like this. And these are all of the automation for the review automations and the reputation management. As you can see, we have 4 different automations. The first automation is the best because you can actually hook them up with their system. This is where you ask the review for the past customers. So you just ask their past customers a list of emails and names and numbers, and you add their contact details inside their sub account and trigger this all the automation, and it will send them a offer along with a review link. So if they send a 5-star review, they can get the offer from the client. So by this way, your client will get more 5-star review upfront, so they can see the value upfront without you asking any money. So they will trust you more, and they will be more inclined to keep on paying you this $97 or $497 as long as they are happy with your services. So I hope you see how simple it is. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're just looking for a business who don't have a website, and you're going into the Go High level, picking a free template, setting everything up along with the logo for just 5 minutes, and you're signing them up inside your Go High level sub account, and you're copy pasting my automation inside the sub account for a monthly recurring revenue. And since you're leading with lots of free values without asking for any money, giving free website, giving free trials for your system, which is not going to take you any more than 20 to 30 minutes to set it up just for once. And when they see the power of the system you have set up inside the business for this clients, which is going to help them save a lot of money and time by getting more clients without spending any money on ads. And since you are solving a big problem inside their business is by saving more time and getting more clients within their business, they will gladly pay you anywhere from $97 to $597. No question asked. And this is exactly, you can build a monthly recurring revenue business. You just have to stack client and scale like crazy. So if you're ready to start your agency and stop overthinking, click the first link in the description, sign up to Go High Level with my referral link, and I will see you guys inside my one-on-one coaching calls.